In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize operations projects, standardize recurring tasks, assign work clearly, and track order details inside your task management system. A great way to make day-to-day operations easier to manage is to structure your workspace around the main functions of the business. Start by creating separate projects based on operational areas like inventory and sourcing, customer support, and order fulfillment. This gives every team a clear home for their work and makes it much easier to find tasks, monitor progress, and avoid confusion. Instead of mixing unrelated activities together, each project reflects a real part of the operation, which helps everyone stay aligned and focused. Once your projects are organized, the next step is to standardize the routine work that happens again and again. Use task templates for repeatable processes so your team does not need to rebuild the same task from scratch every time. For example, if returns are handled regularly, you can create a template for processing a return and reuse it whenever needed. This helps ensure consistency, reduces setup time, and makes it less likely that an important detail will be missed. Templates are especially useful when multiple team members are responsible for the same type of process, because they create a shared standard everyone can follow. After that, make sure tasks are assigned explicitly to the right fulfillment staff members. Clear ownership is essential in fast-moving operational workflows. When a task has one clearly responsible person, there is less ambiguity and better accountability. As you assign those tasks, set tight due dates so work keeps moving on schedule. Short, specific deadlines help teams prioritize and respond quickly, especially in environments where timing affects customer satisfaction or order accuracy. It is also a good idea to activate time tracking on these tasks. That gives you better visibility into how long operational work actually takes, which can help with staffing decisions, process improvement, and identifying bottlenecks over time. Finally, use custom fields directly on tasks to store operational details such as order IDs or SKU information. This keeps important data attached to the work itself, instead of scattered across messages or external notes. When someone opens a task, they can immediately see the reference information they need without wasting time searching for it elsewhere. Keeping these details structured and visible also improves reporting and makes handoffs between team members much smoother. When you combine organized projects, repeatable templates, clear assignments, tight deadlines, time tracking, and custom fields, you create an operational system that is easier to manage, easier to scale, and much more reliable in everyday use.